Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on a hotspot in your iPhone. So open up the settings app. From here you want to tap on mobile data and then you want to find personal hotspot. If you don't see the personal hotspot option, first of all just verify a SIM card is inserted. If a SIM is in your iPhone, that means your carrier has turned off the personal hotspot functionality, so you will need to ring them up to find out what's going on. Once we're in the personal hotspot option, just tap on allow others to join and then you'll be good to go. But a couple of things to keep in mind. So first of all, the only way your hotspot will actually be broadcast is if you stay on this page, okay? And you will need to connect to the network while you are on that page. So if I go to the Wi-Fi area, you can see my iPhone shows up. If I leave this area, my iPhone won't show up anymore. However, if a device is already connected to your personal hotspot, then even if you exit this page, the phone will stay connected, and then once you disconnect from the hotspot, you'll have to go back into this page. If you don't see your hotspot, just try turning it off and back on again, and that usually does the trick, because I had that issue a lot of the times when I used hotspot full time. And maximize compatibility. If you can't see your device and you try that, just turn this guy on, and then that will allow your device to connect, no problem. Do keep in mind when you turn this toggle on, your hotspot speeds may be slightly reduced. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.